In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add crypto in Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check whether your broker offers crypto, how to make crypto symbols appear in Metatrader 5, and how to open a chart so you can start analyzing the market confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to your broker's website. Before you do anything inside Metatrader 5, it's important to confirm that your broker actually supports cryptocurrency instruments on the platform. Look for an instruments or markets page and check that crypto pairs like BTC/USD, ETH/USD, or other symbols are listed for MT5. Some brokers offer crypto as CFDs, and availability can depend on your account type or the server you log into. If you're not seeing a crypto section on the broker's site or in your account details, that's a strong sign crypto may not be available through that provider on MT5. It's worth checking the fine print here too. Things like contract size, leverage, and trading hours can vary a lot between brokers. Once you've confirmed availability, open Metatrader 5 on your computer. To display the list of tradable instruments, press Ctrl+M to bring up the Market Watch window. This is the panel that shows all the symbols your platform is set to display. If the shortcut doesn't work for you, you can open Market Watch from the View menu at the top. When Market Watch is visible, you'll see a list of symbols and their live prices. If you don't see any crypto pairs yet, don't worry. That's normal if they haven't been enabled in your symbol list. Inside the Market Watch window, right-click anywhere in the list. This opens a context menu with several useful options. Choose symbols, or if you prefer a quick approach, select Show All to reveal every symbol your broker offers on your server. Using symbols gives you more control. You can expand categories, look for a group called crypto or cryptocurrencies, and then enable the specific pairs you want by selecting them. If your broker groups crypto under a different name or mixes them with other CFDs, use the search box to type part of the symbol, like BTC or ETH. Enabling a symbol adds it to your Market Watch list, which makes it accessible for charts and trading. With your crypto symbols visible in Market Watch, select the one you want, right-click it, and choose Chart Window. That opens a new chart for the selected cryptocurrency pair. You can switch timeframes using the toolbar and choose how your chart looks: candles, bars, or line, depending on your preference. If you're new to your broker's crypto contracts, it's helpful to right-click the symbol and open specification to review details such as contract size, minimum lot, spreads, and trading sessions. Those details affect your position sizing and trading costs, so it's worth a quick look before placing any trades. Pick the specific crypto you want to view, maybe BTC/USD, ETH/USD, or another pair, and repeat the same process for additional charts. If you like monitoring multiple markets, you can open several charts and tile them so you can watch them side by side. Remember that crypto markets often run beyond traditional forex hours, but your broker's MT5 server may still have maintenance windows. If the chart looks frozen, check the market status and your broker's session times. If crypto symbols don't show up at all, that usually means your broker doesn't support crypto on MT5 or doesn't offer them on your particular account type. Double check that you're logged into the correct server, confirm your account permissions, and make sure you've tried right-clicking in Market Watch to open symbols or show all. If they still don't appear, reach out to your broker's support to verify availability. You can also update MT5 to the latest version, then log out and back in just in case your platform needed a refresh. If your broker simply doesn't provide crypto on MT5, you'll need to use a broker that does. That's it. You opened your browser to confirm availability, used MarketWatch to manage symbols, right-click to enable crypto pairs, and opened a chart for the instrument you want to analyze. Take a moment to review symbol specifications and spreads before trading, and you'll be set up to explore the crypto markets inside Metatrader 5 with confidence.